Here's a great deal on a 2017 Ford F-150. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.